Listen to the music.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today we're gonna be getting back into doing something I haven't done in a little while, but I love to do, and do some custom painted vinyl records. Always one of my favorite things to paint on because I just love the shape. Although this time I'm gonna be combining 6 of them into sort of a rectangular shape anyways, but it gives it a nice aesthetic to it to have, you know, 6 circular shapes make up a rectangular piece and have one painting go through the whole thing, which is why you'll see me very carefully lining them all up on that piece of cardboard and putting them down with duct tape so that I can hold them in place while I'm painting them, even though that's obviously not a permanent thing. I want it to just be the records for when it gets hung up, but it's gonna make it a lot easier for me to paint everything because I don't want them shifting around on me. So today's piece is entitled The Musician, which I felt like was a pretty good character to use for this since I am painting on vinyl records. And just so you know, I just wanted to say that even though you saw me sanding down the records and everything, don't worry, I'm not destroying any records. All of these vinyls are non-functional as it is. I get them for free from a vinyl shop here in Seattle. Because they don't work anymore, I would never paint over any vinyls that still work because I would feel terrible to ruin something that someone might actually want to listen to. I'm not desecrating any records or anything like that. And with all that out of the way, let's get into it, shall we? there you have it, my people. The musician is complete. And you know, this one was a fairly challenging one, not just because of getting it to line up when I was trying to put it onto the cardboard to start painting with the Posca pens, but also because it's kind of difficult to get it to read with the giant holes in the middle. Obviously I did that in the sketch, but it was a fair challenge to figure out how to get all the objects that actually make it read as a character and as a person with these giant diamond-shaped holes in the middle of the piece. But you know, I think it turned out pretty well. But let me know what you guys think of how the piece turned out in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you guys have any questions about anything that I do, or any comments in terms of things that I have done, or things that you want to see me do, or comments for this video, or anything like that. And if you like the video, please give me a like. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, then the best thing that you can do is to subscribe. It would be fantastic, truly. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get into that part that I know y'all are waiting for. Let's see those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.